video we reviewed this Audi S3. Hi guys, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the Audi S3 is the perfect car for you. Let's start with the reason number 1. Just look at this thing, man. It's beautiful. Look at it. I mean, just the... Alright guys, this is the interior of the Audi S3. Full option. Alcantara steering wheel. Black headliner. Audi S-tronic shifter. Black with red stitching seats. The whole interior. Attention to detail. Infotainment system. Really nice steering wheel. The shift pedals in metal. Lights. This is how much noise the inside makes. Beautiful car. Alright guys, reason number 2 to buy the Audi S3. Look at this engine. This is the 2.0 TFSI Audi machine. The standard version has 300 horsepower. This one is HRP tuned, stage 2, which is 380 HP. The machine is also pretty amazing with consumption. If you drive Sport Plus, it consumes like 13 to 14 liters per 100 kilometer. If you drive it in comfort, you can reach to 8 or 9 liters per 100 kilometer. Alright guys, another reason to buy this Audi S3. Since this is the 2016 version, you can find really good used ones for a good price. The new catalog price is about 55,000. This one you can find now good used ones for like 30,000, which is pretty good for a car of this year. Alright guys, another reason to buy the Audi S3. It's a small car, but it has a lot to offer. This one is full option. And it has all the options like in other big cars, and you wouldn't expect that from cars like the A1 or A3 or even the Audi A4. Yet this one has all the options, also the safety features, collision assist, lane assist and the park assist. It also has the automated headlights. I mean, just look at them. To buy the Audi S3, you got a sports wagon, but you can also fit 3 people in the back, and you have space for luggage. Isn't that amazing for a car like this? I think it is. Alright guys, another reason to buy the Audi S3. It's pretty cheap for maintenance. You can find these really cheap, and you can also maintain them for the same amount that you spend. It's not like other cars like Maserati or Ferrari, which will cost you a fortune to repair. This one even has parts from Volkswagen, which makes it easy and cheaper to build, but also to maintain. Alright guys, and the last reason to buy the Audi S3. I mean, if you're a guy, this thing is just a chick magnet. guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, because in the upcoming weeks I will be filming those babies. Thank you very much.